Electric iron. That's how you pronounce them. Iron, iron, I run. I run, you walk. I'm thinking that's how you fill it up. It's a steamer. I don't see any screws on it. Oh, look at that. It's still got water in it. It could be from the rain. Any special way to take these apart? Never done one before. I thought I would. See what it's like. I'm thinking the whole thing snaps together. I don't know. Not there. Oh, look at that thing. Ooh, it's either copper or brass. Oh, there's a screw hiding right there. Take the whole thing apart. Oh, that just takes the lid off. The circuit board. Can you see this all right? Hopefully. Let's see if I can get you a little closer. Yeah, you're right beside my truck, so. It's supposed to be a warm one today in the 90s. It should be in the middle 30s Celsius. Nice little circuit board. To be honest with you, I didn't think one of these would have it. Here's a power cord. Oh, that's how they keep it in there. They wind and twist it around. There we go. More plastic. Plastic. It's just one big heating element. That's all it is, isn't it? Like a water bucket. Okay, so we have a little bit of cordage. Not much. I'm guessing aluminum. Oh, I see some clips. Cool. $4.99 at Value Village. It's expensive for something that don't work very well. Did they even try it out? Just curious. Here's the water container, a reservoir. That'll be all it is. Okay, you see some twist tabs. Is that all it is? Really? Well, that would fight you pretty good, wouldn't it? Oh, okay. I'm guessing this whole thing is a heating element. Yeah. Follow my screwdriver. Goes right in through, so this is going to be irony aluminum because there's no way I can clean that up. Is it worth taking apart? Maybe not. Just throw it in with your thread. Save your time. It's just gonna be dirty. Yeah, okay. My boy asking if we want the dog out. Not much there. part, right? There ain't much to it. Come on, there, done. Woo, that was exciting. I have another one. Looks like it's got stainless steel on it. Nope, that's magnetic. So I'm not even gonna bother with this one. Shred bucket. As it tumbles through the mountain. You haven't seen my mountain yet, have you? Here. So now you know what an iron. Yay or nay. My mountain is growing. That's why I need a bin. It's growing over that way too, except that guy with the cord. See, there's even a barbecue that I've already got done. The bikes have to be done, the lawnmowers. Yes, I have a lot of work. That's why I don't want the bin too early. I want to at least get these 14 microwaves complete in the dishwashers. Then I can order it, because see, it goes back there. Yeah, it's all in there. So yeah. Anyways, that's the iron. Not much to it, is it? Not worth it. I think throw it in your shred bucket if you pick them up, or just cut the cord and leave it behind. Either one. It's dirty cast is what it's going to end up being, because there's no way I can get that out of there. And garbage. So yeah, let me know what you think. Would you do one up?